Have you ever wondered where the mysterious Ooma is located? It's a question that has puzzled explorers, historians, and treasure hunters for centuries. Some believe it's a mythical island, while others insist it's a hidden city deep within the Amazon rainforest. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to uncover the truth about Ooma's location. Historical background. The earliest mentions of Ooma can be traced back to ancient civilizations, who described it as a land of abundance and prosperity. Legends tell of a people who lived in harmony with nature, possessing advanced knowledge and technology. Some even claimed that Ooma was the birthplace of humanity. Early explorations. Over the centuries, countless explorers have set out in search of Ooma. Christopher Columbus, in his quest for the New World, is believed to have encountered rumors of the lost land. Spanish conquistadors and Portuguese sailors also sought after Ooma, hoping to claim its riches for their empires. The myth of El Dorado. One of the most famous legends associated with Ooma is the myth of El Dorado, the city of gold. It's believed that El Dorado was located somewhere within Ooma, and that its streets were paved with gold and its buildings adorned with precious gems. This tantalizing prospect fueled countless expeditions, but none were ever successful in finding the mythical city. Modern-day theories. In recent decades, a number of theories have emerged about Ooma's location. Some believe it's a hidden city in the Amazon rainforest, while others suggest it could be a submerged island in the Atlantic Ocean. There have also been claims that Ooma is located in Antarctica, hidden beneath the ice. Evidence and clues. While there's no definitive proof of Ooma's existence, there are a few pieces of evidence that support the various theories. For example, some ancient maps and texts contain references to a land that matches the description of Ooma. Additionally, there have been reports of strange anomalies in certain regions of the world that could be linked to the lost land. The search continues. Despite centuries of exploration, Ooma remains a mystery. Many believe that the secret to its location lies hidden within ancient texts, maps, and oral traditions. Others argue that it's simply a myth, a product of human imagination. So, where is Ooma located? The answer to this question remains elusive. While there are many theories and clues, none of them provide definitive proof. Perhaps one day, a brave explorer will uncover the truth about this enigmatic land. Until then, Ooma will continue to capture our imaginations and fuel our sense of wonder. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.